A research topic is a subject or issue that a researcher is interested in when conducting research. A well-defined research topic is the starting point of every successful research project. Choosing a topic is an ongoing process by which researchers explore, define, and refine their ideas. Often you're assigned a topic to write about or asked to choose among several topics. When you can choose your own topic, keep the following tips in mind. Choose a topic that's appropriate to the length of your paper. Some topics are too broad to be adequately covered. Too much information will make it difficult to focus. Narrow topics lead to close observation, while broad topics lead to overgeneralization. Background reading can help you choose and limit the scope of your topic. Choose a topic that you are interested in. The research process is more relevant if you care about your topic. Also, choosing a topic that you are interested in will make it easier for you to work on it. Choose a topic on which you can find material. Make sure you select a subject that you can develop with sufficient details. Since research writing will ask for related literature and studies, make sure you have enough materials relevant to your topic. Brainstorm with your group. If research writing is a group work, brainstorming with the members of the group is very important. Talk and share about research ideas with each other. Members of the group may be able to help focus your topic by discussing issues that didn't occur to you at first. Think of the who, what, when, where and why questions. Why did you choose the topic? Why are you interested about it? Who are the information providers on this topic? Who might publish information about it? Who is affected by the topic? Do you know of organizations or institutions affiliated with the topic? What are the major questions for this topic? What do you want to find out about this topic? Where is your topic important, at the local, national, or international level? Are there specific places affected by the topic? When is your topic important? Here are some examples of research topics. Challenges on math instruction. Excessive punishment for students' behavior and analysis. Extracurricular activities and its impact to the academic performance of the students. Physical activities and its effect on learning of elementary students. Cultural awareness and its importance to the middle school students. Effects of the Internet on the perception of truth. Superstitions and family traditions, an assessment. Prevalence of school bullying, its impact to the academic performance. Effects of violent movies on the behavior of students. Correlative assessment of procrastination and technology on high school students. Thank you for watching. Check out the 100 research topics on the link below. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more video tutorials.